1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And a stupid little scooter. Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures, getting ready to go for a ride today with some friends. Rick and Joe and Bill coming over. Yeah, so I was thinking kind of late last night, oh, you know what? Richard has a habit of not charging his bike, and I was going to take the EUI bike, and I came out here looking for it, scrambling around, trying to find it. It's not here. Then I remembered, oh man, the EUI bike was down at my buddy Ron's house. He was storing it for me for a little bit. So I just went down there this morning. Luckily, it already had a full charge, so I should be good to go. Plus, it's got a 25 amp hour battery, so plenty of battery for what we're doing today. Yeah, but, so 21 in the garage, and another one coming in tomorrow, and another one coming in on Tuesday, and I'm having a hard time selling things for some reason. Usually I can sell things within about a week, and I've only had them advertised for 5 days, but I've only had a couple of inquiries. I did sell the 630 Easy Transit trike, so that was great getting that out of here. Still, got a lot of product to move, as they say. So I don't know. I just don't know what to think. It's slowing down because, the marketplace is just getting saturated now. Oh yeah, the market's getting saturated now with e-bikes, and so there's a lot of used e-bikes, and people are selling and upgrading and trading and just getting rid of them for various reasons, and so there's a lot more out there in the marketplace now, so it's getting harder to sell, even though you would think that something that is practically brand new with just a few miles on it, people would want to scoop it up when it's about 50% off the retail sales price. I say retail sales price because they're always on sale. I don't pay attention to retail price. And let's talk about that for a quick second, because the retail prices, overall, the retail price of bikes have come down significantly. But when you see a bike being advertised, and I'm not going to pick it on any particular brand, it's just that when you see an e-bike advertised, and they're trying to say, oh, this is a $2,800 bike, but it's $1,800 off, and you can get it for $800, and, it's just getting ridiculous. I mean, it's just stupid how a lot of these Chinese companies are doing this. And okay, fine, I understand. Inflate your price a little bit so you can put it on a permanent sale or whatever. Well, people are going to catch on to that sooner or later anyway. But the price that they're sticking on some of these things are just, it's just ignorant at this point. It's just straight up ignorant, in my opinion. You can get these $800 bikes, and don't get me wrong, some of these smaller, cheaper $800 bikes are a really good deal for the price. What's up? Here's my neighbor. All right, slight interruption, but that's okay. Yeah, so anyway, the point is about these prices are just out of control. What they put on them, and then they just mark them down 75% and try to make you think it's a great deal. And a lot of people, they're out there buying these e-bikes, and first time, and they have no idea. They see something marked off 30% off, and then they go out there and they want to buy it right away because they want to grab it while it's on sale for 30% off. But what they have no idea is it's always 30% off. That's it. Oh my gosh. All right, I got to stop talking. So I got Rick, Joe, and who else? Rick, Joe, and Bill coming over so we can go for a little ride today, go grab some lunch. So I got to finish cleaning up the EUI bike. Got to check the air on that because that's been in Ron's garage. I think it's all good to go. Yeah. In fact, the tire seems like it's a little too stiff. I may have to check those. That might be a little more than what I prefer. Let's see, what else we got to do today. That's it. Got this one to unbox tomorrow. Started the review of this one already. And man, guys, I gotta tell you what, Velotric, you know, they're a class above some of these other brands that I have spoken highly of in the past. Yeah, they are. Good components, UL certified with sticker, so it's official. And just attention to detail on some of the little build qualities here is just really nice. So this is a pretty nice bike. I like it. I like it a lot. And it comes with a, I didn't get them, but they have a lot of accessories to go with it too. So you're going to see this one a couple more times for sure. And it might be something that we hold on to for a longer term and get rid of maybe something else that we've had for a while. But I like it a lot. So you'll be looking out for that. Yeah, hey, so I got to stop yakking. Did you see the video about the canopy? Yeah, that was a fun video. Oh, yeah, goodness. Oh, okay, I got to stop talking. I got videos to edit. I've got things to do. I got a ride to get ready for. So you guys take care. Hope you enjoy your day. And ride responsibly, ride safe. See you in another video soon.